Hello everyone, and welcome to an exciting overview of the best-selling mid-size tractors in 2026. 2026 is becoming a landmark year for the mid-size tractor segment, tractors with 80 to 150 horsepower, where power combines with efficiency, smart technology, and sustainability. These machines are dominating global sales thanks to their versatility in plowing, sowing, spraying, and transporting. Today, we'll be reviewing the top 10 best-selling mid-size tractors in the world in 2026, based on the latest sales data, market forecasts, and emerging trends in agricultural mechanization. Let's get started. Starting at position 10, the Kubota M7 Tractor Series, specifically models like the M7 173. Manufacturer, Kubota Corporation. Country of origin, Japan. Power, approximately 140 horsepower. Main advantages, excellent fuel efficiency, spacious and comfortable cabin, smooth operating KVT continuously variable transmission, and very suitable for loading and unloading work. Main disadvantages, spare parts may be more expensive in some emerging markets. Popular markets, Japan, Southeast Asia, Vietnam, and North America for small and medium-sized farms. Expected price, $90,000 to $120,000 US. Projected global sales in 2026, approximately 28,000 units. Number 9. The Fendt 700 Vario series, such as the 714 Vario. Manufacturer, Fendt, part of AGCO, country, Germany. Power, around 144 horsepower. Advantages, world-class Vario CVT transmission, extremely comfortable cabin, top-tier fuel savings, and precision farming integration. Drawback, highest price tag in the mid-range segment. Favored in Europe, especially Germany and France, and North America. Price range, $150,000 to $180,000. Expected sales, about 30,000 units worldwide. At number 8, Case IH Puma 150. Manufacturer, Case IH, under CNH Industrial. Origin, USA and Italy. Power, 150 horsepower. Strengths, efficient multi-controller transmission, quiet cabin, strong precision farming capabilities. Downside, maintenance costs rise with genuine parts. Top markets, North America, Europe, and South America. Projected price, $110,000 to $140,000. Sales forecast, around 32,000 units. Number 7. New Holland T6 Series, like the T6-145. Manufacturer, New Holland, CNH Industrial. Country, Italy. Power, 145 horsepower. Pros, fuel-efficient engine, wide-view horizon cabin, versatile for cropping and livestock. Cons, slightly lighter weight can limit performance on hilly terrain. Popular in Europe, South America, and Africa. Price, $100,000 to $130,000. Expected sales, approximately 35,000 units. Coming in at number 6, Massey Ferguson 6700 series, such as the MF 6713. Manufacturer, Massey Ferguson, AGCO. Origin, USA and France. Power, 120 to 130 horsepower. Advantages, competitive pricing, simple and easy to repair, tough in harsh conditions. Drawback, smart tech features lag behind premium brands. Strong in Africa, India, Eastern Europe, and increasingly Vietnam. Price range, $80,000 to $110,000. Projected sales, about 40,000 units. Number 5. Mahindra 8100 Series. Manufacturer, Mahindra. Country, India. Power, 100 to 120 horsepower. Key strengths: affordable, rugged build, fuel efficient, great for tough terrain. Main con: cabin comfort not quite at European premium levels. Markets: India, Asia, Africa, and budget segments in the USA. Expected price: $60,000 to $90,000. Sales projection: around 45,000 units globally. Back to Kubota at number 4 with the M6060 and M7060 models. Manufacturer: Kubota. Origin: Japan. Power: 100 to 120 horsepower. Pros: legendary reliability. Easy operation, perfect for family farms. Downside: max power slightly below top competitors. Favored in Southeast Asia, Japan, in the United States. Price: $70,000 to $100,000. Expected sales: over 50,000 units. Number 3. Massey Ferguson 5700 Series. Manufacturer: Massey Ferguson. Origin: USA and France. Power: 100 to 130 horsepower. Advantages: versatile, great value, extensive dealer network. Drawback: cabin noise a bit higher than rivals. Popular worldwide, especially in emerging markets. Price: $75,000 to $105,000. Projected sales: approximately 60,000 units. Runner-up at number 2, John Deere 6M Series, like the 6120M. Manufacturer: John Deere. Country: USA. Power: 110 to 140 horsepower. Strengths: advanced JD-Link precision farming, comfortable cabin, proven durability. Cons: higher initial and parts costs. Dominance in North America, Europe, and Australia. Price range: $120,000 to $150,000. Expected global sales: around 75,000 units. The number 1 best-selling mid-range tractor globally in 2026, the John Deere 5R series, particularly models like the 5125R. Manufacturer: John Deere. Origin: USA. Power: 100 to 125 horsepower. Top advantages: cutting-edge technology, including auto-track guidance, spacious cabin, multi-purpose loader and PTO capabilities, and excellent resale value. Main drawback: premium pricing. Leading markets: worldwide, with strongest sales in North America and Europe. Expected price: $110,000 to $140,000. Projected sales: over 90,000 units, securing the top spot thanks to unmatched dealer support and tech integration. So now you know the top 10 mid-range tractor models expected to dominate in 2026. This segment is driving sustainable agriculture forward with automation, fuel efficiency, and smart features. Prices are for reference only. Which model do you like best? Leave a comment below or visit your nearest dealer for a test drive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful information on modern agriculture. See you next time.